I decided to attend the seminar because I wanted to get a good foundation before starting my detailing business, and this course has provided a lot of great and helpful information so far.
I did some researching online. I found that it was credible. You know, once I seen that, I did my research. I was planning on opening a business. I wanted to get into detailing, and I'm seeing that I could get this training. So I came and got the training, and so far it's been really helpful.
Well, I want to get a good support to start a business as soon as possible.
Before I started my business, I wanted to have a good foundation for the business side of detailing and the detailing techniques as well. And I wanted to have some legitimacy behind it.
The classroom is just like I just mentioned, a lot of information to take in. It's a lot of information, but it doesn't feel overwhelming. It's very digestible, and as long as the class moves along with great pace. So yeah, I think it'll be very helpful for everyone.
Oh, it's been really great. It's been giving me a lot of input on things I haven't thought of yet. Just like marketing and different ways to generate revenue. So it really has been helpful. I am happy to be here. It's just the first half of day one, and I really do appreciate what I've been through so far.
Oh, the class is unbelievable. It's more than I expected. There's a lot of materials, all the information needed, marketing, everything needed to start a business.
There's been a lot of really good information. I really do feel like there's really no reason why you can't be successful with all the information that's been put out so far.
I thought the training was very fun. I had a great time getting hands-on with the equipment and different products, and kind of getting a better understanding of the process and the procedures it takes to complete a full, thorough detail.
I thought it was great. A lot of hands-on, learned a lot. The different products, to the equipment, to how to use it, when to use it, what to use. The different, the type of vehicles that you're going to run into, that you're going to have to encounter. So you have to deal with that as well. So yeah, it was really informative, and I learned a lot, like I said, and it was very helpful. I plan on taking everything I learned from today and applying it to my own personal business.
Today was awesome. We learned a lot of ways to do the right job, and learning how to apply the compounds, do the polish, wax, and tire dressing, clean the engine. Everything is wonderful.
I thought that the exterior detail training was it was really informational. I thought I knew a lot of things about detailing that I realized I really didn't. Getting hands-on with the machines and the different chemicals was really beneficial for my learning experience, and just learning the different techniques will really help me going forward.
The training was very educational, I would say. Very fun. Got to use a lot of different chemicals, and it's nice to see how to apply them into different situations. So it was definitely fun. The
interior hands-on training was really great. We did a vehicle that was in pretty rough condition. I didn't think we have the success that we had with bringing it back to life, but the results is spectacular. The vehicle looks amazing, and I feel real confident taking this back to my city and providing these services.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Like the 2 days was wonderful, learning a lot of knowledge. But I just want to today thanks Detail King for giving us opportunity to be here, to learn everything. And thanks to all the staff, the guys are so great, very great, professional. Thanks my wife to giving a motivation to be here, and thanks everyone. Want to see you guys soon.
I think the interior detailing training was really good. I learned a lot of techniques and procedures to really expedite the process of doing interior detail, and really getting into all the nooks and crannies of the interior of a car.
For sure. Definitely, if you're serious about starting a business and you want it to be a successful business, I think this is definitely a good foundation, good start. So yeah, definitely.
Oh, definitely. Again, they're really hands-on. They walk you through everything, explain everything to you, and break everything down to you. So they teach you about the products, how to use the products. It's very helpful. It's definitely worth it. It's worth the time, the investment. I'm really glad that I came here this weekend.
Yeah, definitely.
Overall, I would recommend Detail King's seminar training. I learned a lot of different things about detailing that I didn't know previously, and I believe that going forward it will benefit me tremendously.